Okay, huddle up.
Go team, go!
Health is a team sport, and our team plays for total health. A big part of that is staying active. By being our healthy best, we can provide better care to our members and patients. Total health is good for us, our teams, our families, our organization, and the communities we serve. Let's open our playbooks to physical activity. First rule of play, keep the team active, starting with yourself. You don't have to run marathons to be a role model. Lead by example and skip the elevator and opt for the stairs. Take a break and take a walk. Invite others to join you. Use active transportation. Include some walking or biking as part of your commute. Even if you do drive, park a little farther away to get in a few extra steps. Take stretch breaks at your desk. Even while sitting, you can move more. Next, build awareness. Talk with your squad about what you do, on and off the clock, to stay active. Encourage folks to start by taking the Total Health Assessment.
5-yard penalty.
Don't keep the team on the bench. Instead, motivate them to move more throughout the workday. Include stretch breaks in meetings. Better yet, make it a walking meeting. Create instant recess breaks. Stretch, move, and groove to your favorite tunes. It builds muscle and morale. Remember, instant recess isn't just dancing, it's any kind of fun movement, either on your feet or seated, that makes sense for you and your team. Find your thing. Start your next meeting by asking your team to share ideas on how to move more. Discuss what you do with your family or friends to stay active. Talk about the benefits beyond physical health. Better focus, more energy, more self-confidence. Run the plays from the Healthy Workforce Playbook. Tap into the programs designed to help you and your crew be active. GoKP is an online wellness program with fun ways to stay inspired and support your coworkers. GoKP gives walkers, runners, unicyclists, and everyone else motivating, easy-to-use tools to get and stay healthy. So get ready, get set, and sign up for GoKP today. Build team spirit. Participate in KP-sponsored regional events, like the American Heart Association Walk. Get others to sign up with you. Woohoo! Set a physical activity goal of at least 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week. Encourage others to do the same. Woohoo! As the coach, you can help create and support an active work culture. Keep the team energized. Throw plenty of active breaks into the work week. When we work together to build a culture of health, everybody wins.